Up to now, our examples have all followed a pattern: open a file, work with the file, and close the file. The close is important because it informs the underlying operating system that you're done working with the file. If you don't close a file when you're done with it, it's possible to lose data. There may be pending writes buffered up which might not get written completely. Furthermore, if you're opening lots of files, your system may run out of resources. Since we always want to pair every open with a close, we want a mechanism that enforces that and makes sure it happens even if we forget. This need for resource cleanup is common enough that Python implements a specific control flow structure called with blocks to support it. With blocks can be used with any object which supports the context manager protocol, and that includes the file objects returned by open. Exploiting the context manager nature of the file object and using a with block, our read series function can become very simple. We no longer need to call close explicitly because the with construct will call it for us when, and by whatever means, execution exits the block. Now we can go back and modify our recommend series writing program to use a with block too. This also removes the need for an explicit close.